Hello and welcome. Now take a look at the gold market. As all of you guys noticed that gold market is in the previous days we are suggesting that unless the market is holding below the moving average 50 exponential and also holding below the 1780 level, it have ability to first target at 1756, and if the market break this level then go toward the 1727 level. As the market is perfectly following this level, then make a rebound from that level. Now market is again make a pull up and want to test the 1756 level. So in the previous session it test the 1752 area 3 times. Now what happened for the next is that this H4 candle is going in the bullish direction and want to break the 1756 area and EMA 50. If the market candle close above that area at 1759, sometime the market penetrate toward the 1767 level and go and close the pin bar. But I say you that if the market close the H4 candle above that area and then make another H4 candle as a hold above the 1756 area, then you take the buying opportunity up to the 1780 level. In that situation, maybe market takes some retracement down again toward the 1750 level, but once the candles close above that area on the retest of that 1756 or 1752 area, you will take the buying opportunity up to the 1780 area. Otherwise, if there is some failure and market hold below that area, so there is a selling opportunity. As but in the previous 3 times it gave the selling opportunity, but now there is a possibilities of upside breakout. So wait for the confirmation, either it will go in the bearish direction or in the bullish direction. So hopefully you guys understand these levels, 1727, 1756 and 1780. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Your continuous supports needed.